Hello everyone, welcome to another video, another template that I put together for you. This template is going to help you when you get a listing. So this template will help you keeping track of every single task that you need to complete in order to get a listing on the market, and also once you get a contract and then after it closes. So let me show you what I'm talking about after the intro. Okay everyone, let's get this started, and as usual I will try to make this as short as possible and as sweet as possible. Today I have a listing checklist for you. Again, this is a template, and what I have on the template is kind of like just some examples that you can use, but the idea is to kind of like be halfway there already done for you. So you are going to add every single task that you usually do when it comes to putting a listing on the MLS and also social media, etc. So let's get started. So once you click on the link that I provided, you will see this, and so click on the button that says use template. Then it's going to open up the template. So from here, this is very simple. The way that I put together is very simple for you to start. But from here, you can just move things around. You can bring this the address or seller name, etc., to the bottom if you prefer. It's really up to you, but it doesn't really make any sense if you are literally changing every single thing. Might as well just start from scratch. But if you don't want to start from scratch, if you want to start from something small, quick and easy, you can literally use this template. So from here you can change the fonts, and when you click on the text boxes, you can see there's different boxes. Although it may look everything the same, let's see, there's different boxes. If you don't like these little circles, you can simply select and bring it to the trash. For example, if you select here, top right corner, you have the trash can. You can simply delete it. And here under the pre-contract, post-contract, and post-closing, you are going to either delete these or add your own tasks. It's really up to you. If you would like to add, I did not do that because if you are going to change these tasks, then it would be way too much for you to move around. But once you are done coming up with your tasks in here, you can simply click on these lines and click on this top right corner button that says duplicate. You click in there and it's going to give you another line. So let's say that you are done entering all of the tasks under each subtitle. So you are going to bring this to kind of like around here, more or less, and make it the line as long as you wish. So something that is very helpful, if you don't like this frame, you can simply select and bring it to the trash. If it's annoying you too much, you can bring it to the trash. It's nothing that you really need to complete the tasks, so it's really just to make the PDF pretty, that's all. But something that's very helpful is click on File and click on Show Margins. So see, there's this little line around in here that kind of like helps you keeping things straight and in place. And so it's really helpful. Once you download as a PDF, don't worry, it's not going to show there. So once you are done creating the listing checklist, you simply click on the this arrow here, download. The PDF most likely is going to be selected already. Then you simply need to click download, and save into your computer and you can print it out, which is kind of like, that's the idea for those people that really wish to have, you know, the paper, keep track of things using pen and paper. That's really awesome. I still love it, although I have my work as automated as possible. But yes, I still use pen and paper for some notes, for some things that I need to do. So I think that will never go away, right? So I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks! So how was it? I really hope you enjoyed this template. If you are somebody that really loves pen and paper, does not enjoy computers at all, you can always use this as a template to keep track of your listing tasks. There's other options that you can use if you enjoy the computer, which is using the same program that I use, that I've talked about before, that is Trello. But if you prefer pen and paper, just use this template. You can print as many times as you want. You can edit as many times as you want. It's really up to you. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.